Yeah, hi John, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your jukebox laser for you. You see that right there, and your part there. Now, okay, basically, upon checking it, the laser was faulty, obviously. So I've replaced the laser and given it a service for you. And in regards to a service, I've cleaned all your cogs down because they were absolutely full of crap. So I've removed that crap out of there and given them a good clean up, so then they shouldn't stick or anything like that in the future. And also, the micro switch, I've given the micro switch a wipe over, and that's all in place as it should be. So your laser moves up and down freely as it should do now, and it's all working fine. So I'm just going to push the play button on here and see if we can get this all fired up for you. Let's just turn that up so you can hear it playing there. Yeah, I mean, I'm only using headphones on this, by the way. So yeah, so if I just push stop there, so I'll put another CD on for you. Yeah, I mean, I always use what I call crap CDs anyway, because what it allows for is basically, if there is any issues at all, that the CD will jump. Let me just turn that up. So there you go, all working for you. That's going to be in the post for you tomorrow. Okay, so thank you very much, John. And you got a 6-month warranty on that laser, by the way. Okay, only on the parts that I replace. So anything goes wrong, I'll always sort it out for you. Thank you ever so much, and you have a great day. Cheers, John.